Hi, this is Nancy with On Point TV. I have a really exciting announcement to make. Ever since we started making these shows, I've had so many people ask about my big pincushion. I wear a very large pincushion that goes on my wrist. I need to know it's there. It's always with me. Well, my pincushion died, and I needed to decide whether or not I was going to learn how to live without it, which I wasn't willing to do, or actually create one of my own. So that's what we have done. We have a pattern and a kit available to you if you're interested in having the fabulous pincushion. The pattern comes with the pattern and what we lovingly call the magic plastic. This is a craft plastic that when heated up can be molded to fit the curve of your wrist, but yet it's strong enough that the pin does not go all the way through it. There's also available the kit. The kit would come with the wool pieces for making the pincushion, the stuffing, and the Velcro. If you're interested in the fabulous pincushion, go to our website, onpoint-tv.com. You'll find it there for purchase. I think that you'll really like this pincushion. If you decide to get the pincushion, on the back of the pattern will be a QR code, and with that QR code, you'll be able to find the video on how to make the pincushion. Act now, go to onpoint-tv and purchase your pattern and kit.